So it's Saturday, and Trump is kicking back, relaxing, doing his new favorite thing, calling up Mormon cult, Muslim cult, AT&T employees, and of course Chinese. You know, he knows how to get under the skin, get him a little angry, considers it his job as commander-in-chief to do a little intel for America. And he's got one screaming away. What else he's involved in besides hijacking America's lifelines and harassing a Christian in a wheelchair? And the general texts him over, sends him over Milton's latest parable, and he says, oh damn, I like the sound of that. Desert Typhoon. For those Saudi Arabians using the Mormon cult perverts, case in neighborhoods when the only ones home are the kids after school, using them to stock their harems. Desert Typhoon. I like the sound of that.